I need to get the cost of all of these courses here in this column quickly. I could look beginner, that's the cost, Excel, that's the cost, PowerPoint, that's the cost. I could look and type it in, but if this was a long list, it would not be possible. Now, this function, the VLOOKUP function, is very useful when you're dealing with many ifs. I want to get the value if that course is beginner. Then I want to get the value. Well, the value is there. Now how do I get it? Table array. That is now displayed there. So what's happening is, if I want to get the cost of beginner, it looks up in the table and finds the word C2, it finds beginner, and then it looks in the corresponding column, same row, which column? The second column, and it picks up the value, and I'm making that false because I want it to be exact. It picks up the value and it puts it there. Let me do it again. I want that value. I want what that costs. Okay. If it is that, it must look in this table and find the cost. I'm going to use the function. If it is that, if it's in that cell, it's going to look in this table. It's going to look up that word in the table. It's going to find the word, and then it will look in the same row. In this one, it's the second column, and I want it to be the exact word, and it will give me the correct amount. Now, we cannot spend all the time doing this individually. What we can do is we can pull it down. But if I'm going to pull it down, I must be careful that it still stays that table and it doesn't pull it down. To make sure it stays that table, I'm going to select that table and press F4. Press Enter. And if I pull it down, no, pull it down, it picks up everything. Good. I could have selected it, and then I could have gone there and pressed F4 to make it absolute. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP looks up the value of a column in a table and displays the value there.